Hi guys, welcome to this new video related to the Maven concept. So in this video we will see how to create basic Maven project from the command prompt, and then we will see how to run and build that Maven project. And after building the Maven project we will get the executable jar file. So we will see how we can run the class from that Maven project executable jar file from the command prompt. Okay, so before we create the Maven project, let us first complete this prerequisite. So on our system we require two important things. One is JDK and another one is Maven. Okay, so you need to download and install the JDK. So for that purpose you can just type java download and go to the Oracle website, go to Java archive, and from here you can download different versions of Java available. Okay, so I am going to download the Java 8. So depending upon your system, Linux, Mac or Windows, depending upon 32-bit or 64-bit, you can download it from here. Okay, after the login. So once JDK is installed in your system, you need to set this Java home and path up to the bin folder in the environmental variables. Okay, so just type environmental variable here. So you will find two types of variables on this environmental variables. One is for user specific, and this is the system variables which will be applicable for all the users on your system. Okay, so under this system variable you need to set this Java home. Okay, so you just have to type this new, and in variable value you just have to provide where your Java is installed. So when you install Java, it will be available in your C drive. Okay, so go to C drive, then program files, and here you will find Java. Go to JDK, and this path you need to provide in Java home. So you just have to copy this, paste it here, and click on OK. And under path, okay, somewhere you will find this path. Just double click on it, and here also we need to provide one value. So click on this new, and here you need to provide path up to this bin folder. Okay, so double click on this bin folder from the JDK folder, and then copy this path and just paste it here and click on OK. That's it. Okay, so these two things you need to do after you download and install the JDK on your system. So let's download the Maven now. So Maven is not available in some executable file like this JDK. Okay, so just type Maven download, go to this maven apache.org, and here you will find binaries. So this is for Linux system, and this is for Windows zip file. So Maven is available in the form of zip file. So you just have to download the zip file, and from downloads you just have to unzip it. So just right click on it and extract somewhere. Okay, so I am going to extract on my let's say desktop. So now next step is we need to set the Maven home and path up to the bin folder in the environmental variables that we do for the JDK. So again open the environmental variables. So here you can see I have already added Maven home. So just click on this new, then give some name here, Maven underscore home, and here we need to provide that value where your Maven is available. So we have extracted it on the desktop. So just go to that folder, copy this value and paste it here and click on OK. And next thing is we need to provide path up to the bin folder in this path variable. So again go to the bin folder, copy this path and click on new and paste it here, click on OK, and that's it. So we are done with our prerequisite. Okay, so now we can verify what is the JDK version and Maven version. So open command prompt and here type java space hyphen version. Okay, so it is 1.8, and for Maven every Maven command start with this mun keyword. Okay, mun hyphen version. Okay, so 3.8.4, this is the latest one. So now we are ready to create our Maven project from the command prompt. So first of all what I can do is I will create a directory Okay, and then we will see what are the different files available in that directory, and then with the help of this command we will be able to create our maven project. So first of all, I will create a empty directory on desktop. So first let's go to the desktop, and on desktop I will create one empty folder. Okay, so let's move to that folder now. Okay, so currently if you see list, there is nothing inside that folder. Okay, it is an empty folder. So inside this folder we are going to create our maven project. So to create maven project from the command prompt, you need to use this command. So it will start from this mun keyword. Okay, after that archetype generate, then you need to provide group id and artifact id. So this group id is nothing but the group of projects under which we can create multiple artifacts, means multiple projects. So this is the name I have given, qa.automation. So basically it will be your package, okay, inside the maven project. And artifact id is nothing but your maven project name. Okay, so this will be my maven project name, Facebook app. The next one is d archetype artifact id. That means you can provide here what type of maven project you need to create. So here I have provided maven archetype quick start. Okay, so by using which this will create a simple basic maven project with the basic folder structure with src main java and src test java. And next two things are d archetype version, that is 1.0. You can provide the version here, and d interactive mode. Okay, so I have set this interactive mode to false. So if you set this to true, then it will ask you about the group id, artifact id. So you don't need to enter that values, and then project will be created with that details. So with the help of the single command, we will be able to create our Facebook app maven project under this directory. So we are currently under this maven test project. So I will paste it here. It has started creating the maven project. Okay, so project has been created at this location. See users, desktop maven project, maven test project, and this is the our project name, Facebook app. And it has used the details that we have provided for the group id, artifact id, okay, that you can see here. Okay, so let's go to this folder now. So it is on desktop maven test project, and this is our maven project. So here you can see this pom.xml file has created. So this is nothing but a heart of maven project, and this is the src folder in which we have src main java, where you will find qa.automation. Okay, so qa.automation that we have provided as a group id. So this is what our package. So inside qa folder, then automation, and there we have this sample app java file. Okay, so this is the java source file. So if I open it, so in this app.java they are just printing this statement hello world with this main method. So next thing we will see how we can run and build that maven project. So for that purpose you can use simple maven commands. So for running test cases I can simply use mvn test. Okay, so we got this error because we are not under that Facebook app folder, right? So we need to go to that Facebook folder first, then we can run our maven command mvn test. Okay, build success. And to package your maven project, that means you need to create the jar file. So for that purpose you can use this command mvn package, or you can use the mvn install as well. So it will run the test cases and it will create a executable jar file under the target folder in our maven project. Okay, so it has created the jar file under this Facebook app target, and this is the jar file name, Facebook app.1.0 snapshot.jar. So if we go to our project, go to the target, and here you will find this jar file. So basically this jar contains the collection of the class files for your Java sources. So if you want to see the content of the jar file, you can use the Java decompiler. So I can only drag and drop here, and you can see the content of that jar file qa.automation, and in that we have this .app.class file. So now let's see how we can run this app.class program from the jar file by using this jar file. So first let me clear this. So to run that app.java, just type java space -cp. Then we need to go to that target folder first, right? Our jar file is available inside the target folder. So we'll provide target slash, then here provide your jar file name. So I will copy our jar file name from here. Okay, don't forget to give .jar extension. Then from that jar file we need to run app.java. So app.java is available inside the QA.automation, right? So you need to provide this package name first, QA.automation dot my file name is app, right? So it is available in the src main java QA then automation folder, and under automation we have this app. Okay, so we need to run this java source file. So if we hit enter, you will see it is printing this hello world. So let's make some changes into this app.java, and then we will rebuild our project, and then again we'll run that app.java. So first of all, I will do some changes here. Let's say automation testing. Okay, save it. So you need to rebuild your project because this jar file, the old jar file contains the old content. Okay, old content of that app.java, right? So we require the new content now. So we need to rebuild our project. So again go to the command prompt, and here you can use mun clean and then package. Okay, so clean will clean the target folder, whatever build we have created in the previously, that will clean that folder, and new build will be created with our changes. So it will clean first and then it will rebuild our project. So you can see here our new changes are available in this jar file now. So let's run the same command again. So you can see it is showing automation testing. Okay, so this is how you can create the maven project from the command prompt. Then you will be able to run your maven project. You can build your maven project, and you will get the executable jar file from which you can run any java source file by using this simple java command. Okay, so I will copy all these details in our notepad file. Okay, so first create this maven project with this group id, artifact id, whatever you can provide. Then run your maven project with the mun test. Okay, and then you can build your project with the mun package command, and then you can run this app.java file from that jar file by using the java command, java-cp. Then go to the target folder inside which we have Facebook app 1.0 snapshot.jar file, and from that jar file I want to run this qa.automation.app java source file. Accordingly it will run whatever code you have added in this app.java. So that's all for this session, guys. Just follow this simple step for creating the maven project from the command prompt, and then you will be able to run your build your maven project, and then you will be able to run your java code from the executable jar file. So let me know if you face any issue. Thank you.